Today, we're making mini blueberry corn muffins. They're great for breakfast and you'll love them for a snack. For the dry ingredients, mix flour, sugar, fine cornmeal, and baking powder with a little kosher salt. Give it a whisk. Then for the wet ingredients, an egg, milk, some whole sour cream, and melted butter. Whisk that up to combine, and then we're going to add a little lemon zest for a citrusy tang. It's not overpowering, just gives it a little zing. Mix the wet and dry ingredients together, and don't overmix, just until there's no dry bits. Then add the blueberries. You just want to fold them in carefully, gently, so they don't break up, and then portion out the dough. I like to use a cookie scoop for this. Bake for about 20 minutes, and if you're making bigger or smaller muffins, you might have to adjust the time. Don't they look good? These are moist, tender, lightly sweet, just perfect for munching. Enjoy.